Be fruitful. Fruitful here does not mean to have children. This means to be productive. This means produce something. You cannot have fruit unless there is a seed. There is already seed in the fruit. God created the fruit first and put the seed into the fruit. So it means God created you and put something inside of you. And he is saying, bring out the seed which I placed inside of you. The gift that is lying dormant inside of you, that idea that is lying dormant inside of you is your business. Your wealth is in this seed. After you have developed your fruit, then the next stage is to multiply. The word multiply is to reproduce. So the next stage is to reproduce your fruit. Bill Gates and Steve Jobs left college to build their fruits. Some didn't even go to school. Their professors did not believe in their fruit, but that did not change anything. Steve Jobs locked himself in the garage to work on his fruit. These men built their fruit outside of college, but they both had a problem. How do you multiply it? So they went to manufacturers. These may be your friends or your network. Then it says, fill the earth. The word means distribute, replenish. Business will only succeed if you can distribute your product. You should come up with a distribution system. You must first find a way to distribute your product. The internet has made it possible for us to become global business people. Distribution is the key. And then we are told to subdue, mean control the market. What makes Rabbi Akwetey successful? He has produced his seed and he has distributed it in books, digital content, etc. Now he is the man you come to when you want to learn what he has produced. Subdue means become the expert, become the go-to person for your fruit. Don't chase going into business to make a living. That is how poor people think. Go to business to help someone out. Go into business to dominate the market. Become the best with your giftings. Become the best in your area of gifting. Let them seek you when they want that gift. Be the one they think of when they want what you have. God then said, after you have done all these, you will have dominion. You will dominate. There is something you were born to do that no one else can do better than you can do it. What you were born to do is not outside of you. It's trapped inside of you. The tree is not in the soil. It's in the seed. Remember that.